Hey beauties, welcome back. I've missed you guys so much, and if you're new here, fuel yourself at home. My name is Jennifer Melanie. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making Banga soup. In my country we call it Salsa de palmiste or Esug Melen. Let's start with these ingredients first. Starting off, you will need red onion, green bell pepper, parsley. If you love spicy food, we have pepper, and last but not least, spinach. Moving on, we have smoked dried chicken, we have crabs, we have fresh hen, this is dried shrimp, crayfish, and we finally have our snails. Most importantly, we have the palmnut cream. This is the Banga itself. Ghana Fresh is the one I got. This is the ground crayfish. And for spices, I'm only doing Maggi cubes and just a little bit of salt, nothing too much. I will add my onions, bell pepper, Maggi. Use 2 to 3 Maggi cubes for your hen. Add some salt. After I add this water, I'll let this hen boil for about 30 minutes. Before we're gonna use the fresh one, then we'll go ahead and add the smoked chicken. Now we will go ahead and add the Banga. After you add the Banga into a pan, you'll go ahead and add boiling water. This is boiling water. I'll go ahead and add it to my Banga now. The consistency of this should be watery because the Banga is super thick. That should look. This is the consistency that you need. But before we move on, I'll be transferring this Banga liquid into a different pan. So I move it from one pot to the other because if you can see, do you see those little tiny grains? These are black and they come from the Banga can. So if you add it all together, it will basically taste like sand or something very crunchy. Now add more warm water if it's necessary because you don't want the Banga to be thick at the beginning. And now that we're leaving in this pot, we will leave it here for 20 minutes so that it can boil. Let's get back to the hen. It's been 15 minutes since we've been boiling it, so we'll go ahead and add the smoked one. I let the smoked chicken sit in here for about 8 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and take it off. This is how the pot looks after 20 minutes. Go ahead and add your Maggi. Add a little bit of onion for the taste. Don't worry if you do not like onions, this will melt down. Don't forget your parsley. Once the meat is soft to your liking, go ahead and transfer it to the Banga pot. I'm going to add the hen first because of course it takes more time to cook. And as I was adding the hen here, keep in mind that these chickens will be inside the pot for about 20 minutes or more. This is my Banga pot so far. I haven't closed it yet. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the ground crayfish. Now I'll add my dried shrimp and dried crayfish as well. Add your snails. I will now add my dried chicken after the snails. Be sure to not overboil the meat, or else once you add it to the banga soup, it will shred apart. It's giving this authentic flavor. Now that we got to the end, we'll add our beautiful crabs. Crabs are easy to cook, so you can add it when you have 15 minutes left, and you also add your spinach along. For our spinach. And last but not least, our peppers. I tried to maintain a non-foggy camera, but after the food was ready, this is how it looked. This is the most delicious banga soup you will ever come across with. I grew up eating this, and if you try it, you will never go back. It's optional to add all the extras that I did, like crabs and snails, but it's up to you. Very traditional, authentic flavor. I loved it. Okay, and that was the end. I hope you guys go ahead and try this one, and if you do, let me know down below. Let me know in this comment section how amazing this food was. Comment foodie or banga soup if you love this tutorial, and don't forget to stay active on my Instagram because I love the fact that y'all voted for me to do banga soup this time. And if you're from TikTok, hi lovelies. And also, if you have me on YouTube but not my other socials, I'm waiting for you to go ahead and add me, okay? I'll be back with more. Bye, loves. Tranquilo,